Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize your sales funnel using ClickFunnels, complete guide step by step clearly. To optimize your sales funnel using ClickFunnels, start by defining your target audience. Identify their pain points, desires, and purchasing behaviors. Create a clear goal for your sales funnel, whether it's lead generation, product sales, or webinar signups. Log into your ClickFunnels account to access the dashboard. Select Build Funnel to start the creation process. Choose the type of funnel that aligns with your goal, like a sales funnel or a lead generation funnel. Pick a template that resonates with your brand and appeals to your target audience. Customize the funnel pages by adding your brand colors, logo, and relevant images. Craft compelling headlines that grab attention and encourage visitors to read further. Use persuasive copy that addresses your audience's pain points and outlines the benefits of your offer. Incorporate high-quality images and videos to create an engaging visual experience. Set up your opt-in form on your lead capture page to collect visitor information. Make sure the call to action buttons are clear and enticing. Create a thank you page to redirect users after they opt in, reinforcing your value proposition. Integrate your email marketing software for seamless communication with leads. Utilize ClickFunnels' A/B testing feature to compare different versions of your pages. Analyze the performance metrics to identify what elements are working and what needs improvement. Adjust your funnel based on the data collected from the A/B tests. Ensure your funnel is mobile responsive, as many users browse on mobile devices. Optimize your page load speed to prevent potential drop-offs. Incorporate social proof, such as testimonials or case studies, to build trust. Follow up with your leads consistently through email sequences. Offer value in your follow-up emails to nurture relationships and encourage conversions. Regularly revisit and refine your sales funnel based on market changes and customer feedback. By following these steps, you can effectively optimize your sales funnel using ClickFunnels and drive better results for your business. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.